Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
All right, hey. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Indonesia. Yes, Indonesia, the land of 1,000 islands. It's amazing, exotic, wonderful for you, and for everyone, everywhere. This is from Lemonilo, I don't know. Naked Ramen, and this is chicken chow mein. So this company made a green instant noodle that was ultra healthy and really good. And mee goreng, quite good, quite tasty. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Now they've got like a distributorship in the U.S. and they're packaging product for the U.S. Excuse me. I need to talk to these people. Good stuff. But yeah, 3.5 minutes on the boil. Drain. Add in your seasonings, stir, and be happy. So that's what we're gonna do right about now. So here, in true Indonesian form, we've got a dual sachet, a seasoned oil, and this stuff is sweet soy sauce, I'm guessing. And then we've got probably a chili powder and a seasoning powder. So we're gonna take these. Check these noodles out. Huh? I believe they're non-fried, of course. And we're gonna put them in a pot. Peas porridge pot, peas porridge cold. I want to have peas porridge. But anyways, 3.5 minutes. There we go. So, what's going on? I just got back from a stroll with my daughter. This COVID thing, I mean, it sucks because there's so many reasons that it sucks other than the obvious mortality reason. But, oh man, one that really kills me all the time is there's nowhere to go take a piss. I can't like duck into McDonald's because I mean that was the best spot, man. They had a huge bathroom. I could take the mega stroller in there and go use the enormous handicap stall. And like, here's my phone. Don't mind what I'm doing, you know, and go use the bathroom and be done and keep going on our walk. We don't have that anymore. We don't have, what's the other one? Down by Log Boom Park. It's another central spot. That one has a big old sign on it. Closed until further notice due to COVID-19. It's like, COVID, you jerk. But, what can you do? Not a whole heck of a lot. At least the weather is fan-freaking-tastic right now. It's 68 degrees out. That's pretty good for late April in Washington State, at least just north of Seattle. This is about as good as the weather gets here. Because what'll happen if it gets any warmer, the whole place smells like if you left a funky salad on the stove and you put it in a pot, like that smell of like wilted lettuce. Yeah, it gets kind of gross and stale, especially if it doesn't rain and it isn't windy. shit just smells like an air conditioner. It's freaking nasty. But hopefully it will be a good year. We won't get all that Fraser River outflow or whatever up in Canada, and there won't be a million forest fires. One year, a few years back, the pollution, because it was coming in from Canada and from eastern Washington, all the smoke from the forest fires, and it funneled directly down into Seattle. And they said that the air pollution in Seattle was worse than the air pollution in Beijing, China, which is saying something. That place is pretty well known for their air pollution, air quality. So, yeah. Anyways, our noodle is almost finito. And then we'll be able to say, hey, we've had some naked ramen today. In 2, 1. Alright. Let's see what this naked ramen's all about. I had the curry one. That was pretty darn good. The noodles are alright. They remind me of a yi mein, if you know what that is. If you don't, that's okay. They remind me of noodles. So let's drain these off. Alright. Yeesh. In tomorrow's episode, I will show you my new favorite enjoyment thing. It's very easy to prepare. If you can't make this pairing of food items, then you don't need to be doing any heavy lifting, like with your mind. You don't need to worry about trying to tie your own shoes. Don't need to worry about like chewing your own food. I'm pretty sure all people, no matter what age, can put these two things next to each other and then go, oh yeah, that's good, yeah. I mean, you don't have to like it, but I mean, you can prepare it. You can make it so. All I'm saying, you are capable. You have the capabilities. You have the tools at hand. You can do it. This right here is kind of what makes an Indonesian variety an Indonesian variety. The dual powder sachet and the dual most mee goreng out of... I think they're calling it chicken chow mein, but really it's mee goreng. I have a feeling. If it's not, I'll be surprised. But I've been surprised before, so we shall see. I'm oft times I find myself surprised and mystified at what's going on around me. Okay. Oh, by the way, I didn't forget about you guys. How you doing, Russia? How's it going? I hope you're rushing it up. Don't be in a big rush. Do people do that? Do you make Russia jokes with the English word rush? Let me know down in the comments. I'm sure you're gonna like, what's he talking about now? But no, I every once in a while I'll see a message, somebody going, "Hey, how's it going? Russia's still here. We're lurking. We're around. So don't forget about Russia. Mention Russia. We like to be noticed." It's like, okay, hi Russia. What up, Russia? And Belarus and Ukraine and Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan and what else? Turkmenistan. I don't know. And Miles. Yeah. And all those places there, I would love to visit. And oh, hello, Russian Federation. Yeah. Isn't that the correct term these days? Okay, wow, these are greasy noodles. I like that. Nothing wrong with a little bit of greasy. Keep it greasy so it goes down easy. Alright. But yeah, I still need to get some more Russian noodles. My buddy Artur got me some Ukrainian noodles. I might have to do those. Alright, let's try these naked chicken chow. Add me garang. And that's really good. I really like that. That deserves the moniker yummy. I like that. So let's add some stuff to it, shall we? We'll use this bowl. I don't know. I've got two things to use. I want to use chicken on both. But see, this one's got a fish on it. I'm just going to use this one. I don't care. I don't care. I know it has a picture of fish. And I know it's chicken flavor, but it's a plate. It's going to hold food. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be just fine. I'll even try to cover up the fish. I hope the Russians are okay with that. You know, I was telling a company recently when they were talking about their 2020 marketing push. I was like, you should consider marketing your products in Russia, because I know they like strong flavors, spicy stuff and such, and cause they can take it, and they really like instant noodles. So now it's part of their marketing push, from what I hear. It's kind of an honor, you know. Care about my noodle thoughts enough to, yeah, we'll try selling it there. Thanks for the tip. But I mean, when you get that many people saying, hey, hello from Russia, kind of makes you realize a lot of people not only like Oblomov, but they also like instant noodles. Man. Okay. And right there. That certainly does not work visually to me. Try it out. Alright, so what else would we want to put on this? Well, personally, I think a little seating. Seat it up. And I think we're gonna call it good. I think that's kind of nice. Yeah? What do you think? Well, let's have some tunes and let Rotato rotate, and here we go. All right, well, cool. Thank you very much to James of Lakeside, California for shooting this pack over along with so many others. Really appreciate it. And yeah. All right, well, thank you very much. Yes, my shirt is green. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.